Hello everyone, welcome back to City Closers, and today we are back with a new video with a new property. Today we are in northeast part of Bangalore, very close to Budagere Cross and off Whitefield I can say. This proper place is called Kadagrahara, right? So this is a 42 acres of land parcel where 400 plus villas are coming up, and currently only 15 acres like phase 1 is launched, and you can see the work which is under progress. Today we'll be showcasing you the mock-up villa over here, which is not really completed. Still the work is going on, but still we wanted to show you that villa. And for more details, over to my colleague.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel City Closers. I hope everyone is doing good. So yes, another video for our home buyers. This is in North Bangalore, one of the best location and a very happening location, which is called it as Skar Agrahara. I know a little difficult word to understand, but this has a very good connectivity from Hennur, from Hormao, and as well as from Whitefield. Via this Aduguri road, you can definitely reach to this particular location. So this project is a proper villa community project which is coming up in 50 acres of land parcel. So right now phase 1 is going on, which is in 15 acres of land parcel. The excited thing is that per acre they are giving only 9 villas. So you can just imagine how much the space will be giving up. Almost 62 percentage is the open space here, and this is the 4-bed villa which is coming up with a very lavish the in I can say lavish interiors. Yes, that is something that once you do as per your design, but quite spacious. The plot area starts with 1800 square feet, goes maximum, and the super built up area starts with 3300 to the maximum 5300. This is a super built up area. Along with this, to tell you, the UDS of your villa will be minimum starts with 3200 square feet to the maximum 5200. Yes, you heard right. This is a huge UDS space which you are getting in this particular project. The project is connected with very good connectivity. As I said beginning, you can travel from Hennur, Hormao, or the Whitefield location, very easy accessible. So this location is also called it as Kamasandra, okay, plus Kadagrahara. And this is very close to Prestige Golf Augusta project. If somebody has really visited that, I'm sure people who are looking for the villa community project, they would have definitely visited that property, right? So yes, as I said, the square feet are quite spacious, and so here the builder has provided you 5 elements of life, which is very important for one person to stay happily. Let me tell you what are those: air, fire, sky, earth, and water. So connected to this, they have given you the amenities. And to talk about amenities, I think nothing much to tell here that you have so and so, because you name anything you have in this particular project. 40,000 of square feet the clubhouse is coming up with, and the project will get complete in another 2.5 acres of time. I mean 2.5 years of time. Okay. See, the total land parcel is 50 acres, as I said. This location is going to grow up very soon. It is already growing, I can say, because surrounding you have many, independent houses. You have many other small or B category layouts are coming up. Also, let me tell you, closer to this project, Brigade has acquired 80 acres of land parcel. So yeah, once the such township comes, the project will definitely have a very good appreciation. Today you might spend, okay, let me reveal the price. So the price starts with 4 cr and it goes to maximum 7 cr according to the square feet which you select. Now we are standing right now at the model unit. You can see a lot of labors surrounded. You can see a lot of labors are surrounded because the works are going on a very high level. And yes, in the model unit also the works are happening, but we will be capturing in the same way because we just want you to show you this unit. So now we entered here. As soon as we entered, there's a foyer area, and to just see the door, the quality, the finish, Still it's not finished, I would say, but still we can feel the finishing of this particular villa, which is getting constructed as a model unit. So this entire thing is our living area. We will be definitely sharing the floor plan in our video, which will help you to understand what is the dimensions of each and every space which comes up in this particular 4 BHK villa. Now this we covered just the living area. Now let's enter in this master bedroom, or we can say this is another just a bedroom, could be a parent's bedroom, or it has a attached toilet. And one more thing to observe here, that each door has, I think, more than 8 feet height, and the finishing is really classy. You can see the finishing of this door as well, the room which we just captured now, right? This could be, probably you can do it as your the puja room, or one, however they want to plan. This is our kitchen, quite spacious, a proper square kitchen. With backside we have the utility. Of course, in the video you might not able to judge the property very much, because it is, as I said, it's under construction. In fact, here the works are happening. So here we go with the stairs on the first floor. So yes, we are right now on the first floor. You can see the space, guys. I mean, it's huge space. I have not seen any of the villa property which gives you so huge space as your family room, or as a family room, that too especially on the first floor. Here we can see there's a bedroom given. Again, the door, you can see the height of the door is very more than 8 feet as per me, and a large bedroom has been given. This probably you can keep it as a master bedroom, or anyone else can do as a parents room or guest room. So this is entire spaces for the master bedroom, and here the walk-in cupboard comes, right? Walk-in closet comes. You can see as spacious as nobody can imagine, I think. So this has attached toilet now. This is a dressing space, dressing table, utilized very well. This is the attached bathroom, quite spacious. See, n number of the columns have been given to keep your stuff. This will be the bathing space. This is the commode space. I think one wish to have a very spacious to spacious villa. This project is definitely suits to that particular client's wish. And this is the space where L-shaped balcony has been given, quite huge. One can really enjoy their walking path within their villa, or they can do the gardening. This side we have another room. So as per my understanding, I think we can do this as a master bedroom. The reason being, it has, as I said, L shape. So the balcony comes from there and it connects in this corner. Let's show you. So this is a balcony. When you stand in this corner, you have the connectivity there. And it has got a double height, ceiling. The more double height, the more space and the more breathing in your villa. You can see surrounded all villas. Construction is on swing. So this is huge space. Again, it has a walk-in wardrobe here. You can see this entire space is for the walk-in wardrobe. Again, with the attached toilet. One can design their dressing table over here in this corner. Now let's proceed towards the second floor. So yes, we are on the second floor. Here is one bedroom, which is again quite spacious. You can see the huge space. Its entire space is for the bedroom. A lot of walking space will be there. Here in this corner, we have the walk-in, wardrobe. A dedicated space is given for that, which is attached with the restroom. And now once we come out from this bedroom, Towards my left, we have the terrace, which is quite spacious. L-shaped terrace is there, this side space is there. Okay, then this entire space is given even in that corner. So yeah, quite spacious. Definitely, in this budget, I don't think so any other project is there. Yeah, the budget which I have mentioned, 4 CR, would not be preferable for this particular unit, because this is a bigger unit, right? So as I said, 4 CR to 7 CR is the pricing, and of course the dimension also goes 3,500 as a super built-up area. It goes to 5,500 super built-up area. So this was, I have not mentioned the project yet, but yeah, most of the home buyers, if they have already visited this property, they would have definitely recognized. So the project name is Allur Avni. Yes, this is the by our Allur Arjun. I think everyone knows that hero, right? So this is basically their project, and yeah, located in North Bangalore. I hope we have covered everything in this project. Lots of amenities is there. 62% of the open space, quite huge space between one villa to another villa. Just 9 villas in 1 acres of land parcel. Yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like the video, share with your family and friends. Any comments, any questions, do ask us. We'll be happy to answer you. If you have not subscribed our channel, kindly do that so that you can be the benefit by watching our videos, right? Thank you so much. See you in the next video.